Hello, this is a Volkswagen B6 from 2007 and I have an issue with my climatronic. The issue is that it's causing that click noise when you're driving, and it's really annoying to drive it. So the problem is that the flaps engine is broken, and I just show you just where it is. You pull this dashboard a little bit away, so if you can see, just here in a corner behind, there's this flap engine that's trying to get the right position but it can't. So that's what is causing that noise. So buy a new one in your Volkswagen store, and it should solve the problem. What I did is put the airflow up and down to the feet and just disconnect the wire from the behind, and the noise will be just gone. So I disconnect the flaps engine, and you can see it wasn't easy to get it out because you can't see where to push the button that it will be released, but it's look like this one over here. I don't know if you can see, you just need to push, it's behind you, to just push this one in the middle. See this one, that's that, and just it will just pop out. So it's the same system over here, and you can see, just try to turn the ignition on, and let's see what it's saying. So no fault codes, and everything is working just properly as it's supposed to. And you can just hear the noise are gone. So I don't think that it can change the position, the airflow, but if it's alright with you, you don't have that annoying noise to drive with. So I hope that I will help somebody with the same issue, and please comment. Thanks.